Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and compatibility. Plug a 20W USB-C adapter into the Magsafe puck and an outlet. You then remove any thick case or verify it's Magsafe compatible. This ensures the magnets engage and the charger sits flush. Place your iPhone 13 face-up on a stable, flat surface and guide the charger to the center of the back. Once done, you should feel a subtle snap as magnets align, indicating the connection is secure and charging will begin. Once the Magsafe snaps in place, check the lock screen to confirm the charging animation and percent increase. This proves proper contact. Then open Settings, tap Battery, and enable Optimized Battery Charging to reduce long-term wear. This adjusts charging behavior based on your routine. Make sure you do not move the phone while charging, and keep it out of direct sunlight or hot environments so the battery and charger remain within safe temperature ranges. This prevents slow charging or thermal throttling. To finish, lift the iPhone straight off the Magsafe puck from the edge. Do not twist or pry, which can stress the magnets. If charging is unusually slow or doesn't start, make sure the charger and adapter are Apple certified. Remove the case and try again, then try a different Magsafe puck if available. If there's still no sign of charging, restart your iPhone and check for iOS updates, because software bugs or outdated firmware can sometimes prevent proper charging recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.